Hey everyone, I'm Allison and I can't wait to show you what is in this package. It just showed up at my doorstep from Amazon and I'll show you what's inside. All right, so we've got another package inside the package. It's an automatic bubble maker. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for this. All right, so it showed up and it is a white material. It came in black and it also comes in a blue color. It looks like it comes with some bubble mix. You just mix the solution with some water, plug it in, and you're good to go. This can be used outside or inside. I'm just so excited about it. It has a little handle, so it's really portable. We also have some Fubbles bubble solution here. Fubbles is a non-toxic bubble solution, so it'll pair really well with this bubble maker. It's safe for children and pets, so that's really good in my house where I have a little baby and a dog who I'm sure will both be chasing after the bubbles. One thing I also wanted to note about the bubble maker is that it can be used without batteries, so all you have to do is charge it. It comes with this little cord. You just plug it in at the side here. And it has a USB, so that's really convenient. Just plug it into any USB and go ahead and take it with you on the go. 'Cause one of the things I was looking for was a product that wouldn't have to plug into the power, so that way we could use it outside and on the go. So this is a really fun product. This is a great duo and you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.